Hello, today we will guide you through how to link Watchlist to chart Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your Watchlist to your chart so that when you click a symbol, the chart updates automatically. This makes scanning symbols faster and keeps your workflow organized. Begin by opening the Thinkorswim platform. Once the workspace loads, look toward the top of the screen for the Charts section. Click Charts to open the main charting area. You should now see your active chart front and center. On the chart, find the small chain or link icon. It's typically near the upper right corner of the chart gadget. Click that icon to open the link menu. You'll see a set of colored options. Each color represents a link group. Choose any color you like. This color is how Thinkorswim knows which tools should communicate with one another. Picking a color here doesn't change your chart's appearance. It simply sets a link channel the chart will listen to. Now move your attention to the left panel where your watch list appears. In most default layouts, the watch list is on the left side under a section labeled Watchlist. Within the Watchlist header, you'll find its own small chain icon. Click that icon to open the same color menu you saw on the chart. Select the exact same color you chose for the chart. Matching colors is the key step that links the watchlist and the chart together. With both the chart and the watchlist set to the same color, the link is active. Click any symbol in the watchlist and watch the chart update instantly to that ticker. If the chart doesn't change, double check that both link icons show the same color. That color match confirms they're in the same link group. You can change colors at any time if you prefer to organize multiple sets of tools. For example, you could use one color for a daily chart and another for an intraday chart, each tied to different watch lists. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you actually click the symbol in the watch list and not just hover over it. The chart updates on selection. If you ever reorganize panels, remember that the link works wherever the watch list sits, as long as the colors match. And if you add more charts later, setting them to the same color will let them follow the same watch list with no extra setup. That's it. Your watch list and chart are now linked, making symbol analysis fast, consistent, and efficient.